Hello everyone, welcome back to Pray Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. I have on my faux diamonds today, so you know we're going to be talking about diamond painting. Today I have an unboxing video for you from a company called FEELOOK. FEELOOK reached out to me and asked me to unbox and review one of their very large diamond paintings. This may now be the largest diamond painting I had. I did just purchase a beautiful diamond painting from another company that I showed on this channel, but I think this one is now bigger than that one. I I've seen other creators unbox from FEELOOK, so I know that they are a premium company. They do have a lot of premium canvases. This canvas is from their mythological uh princess category, something like that. This is the name of the princess that we're going to look at. I cannot pronounce it. I think it's Amaterasu. They gave me an option of who to choose, and I'm not really into mythology. Here we go. But not mythology, but I'm not really into the fantasy princess type stuff. But I liked this one the best. Y'all, the fabric size is 80 by 60 and the design size is 72 by 52. The shape of the drills are round, thank God. But this is the picture, very beautiful picture. So you will get this long box, and then this box will be wrapped in plastic. I love the packaging. Everything is packaged so beautifully. We have the picture of the round drill here so that you know it's round drills, and it says painting kit on there. Working with FEELOOK has been really nice, a nice experience. They did give me a 10% off discount code that I will put in the description if you're interested in purchasing a canvas from them. They do have a lot of different types of art and canvases. I saw a lot of large canvases, but I do believe they have some that are smaller than this one that I'm unboxing. This is very daunting to me. I don't do large diamond painting kits, and I don't think I don't know if I will ever do one this large. Definitely not this year. I have to work my way up to this. But on the back of the packaging here, we do have when tiny sparks become masterpieces. This box is very nice. It gives you some steps to creation, what the kit contains. We have the canvas, we have the drills, we have the diamond painting pen with the putty and the grip, and we also have the diamond painting tray. Oh, looks like they gave us some sticker labels too. You have a missing diamond guarantee, and you have a high quality canvas. FEELOOK Art. That was their information. I will put my affiliate link in the description for you to check out their website as well. When tiny sparks become masterpieces. Y'all, this is huge. This box is gorgeous. I love that. I love this color blue, and I love that this storage box. I thought I was going to peel it all the way back, but never mind. I thought that this storage box, I'm going to use the storage box to keep my diamond painting safe. Every diamond you place is a small step toward something extraordinary. I love this. This box is gorgeous. Oh, okay. So it looks like we have the card for the princess here. Starlight collection card. I'm assuming you could scratch and get a code and collect these. And then you have some instructions here. They advise to work in sections. You're definitely going to need to for this one. Organizing your diamonds is important. Labeling your diamonds. Those are all great tips. And then we have the kit here. I'm going to open it from the top. Let me know if you like, well, it looks like I'm going to have to rip it open. Let me know if you like kits this large, if this is your jam. Let's see what we get here. Oh, this is a very nice pen. I thought they were giving us a plastic pen. Is this a twist and pick? Oh, this is a twist and pick. There's wax already in there. But this twist and pick is easy because it just twists at the top here. This is nice. I wasn't expecting that for some reason. I was expecting a little plastic pen. Here's some more putty. The baggies. Oh, you get 2 trays. That's smart because this painting is so big. And then you get the stickers. Looks like there's, oh my God, looks like there's probably 60 colors. You get this very nice heavyweight set of tweezers. Very nice. I love the tweezers that are a really nice weight. And then you get the baggies. You get more baggies. You get 2 sets of baggies. And that's it. There's a lot in this kit. So this is a single placer. But you could probably put a multi-placer on it. And I guess this piece comes off to do the wax, or this piece. I'm not even gonna fuss around with that, guys, because if you've watched any of my other videos on any other twist and pick pins, I didn't do well the first couple of times. But I'm gonna assume that you either unscrew the top or the bottom of the jar to put more of the putty in there. I love that they put the putty in a container. Okay. So all these goodies. And this diamond painting, I believe, would run you around $60 or more. You are paying premium prices on FEELOOK, so just keep that in mind. Oh my God. Whoa. Whew. Okay, y'all. Whoa, this is this is about the heaviest set of drills I think I've picked up. Wow. Can you imagine? I mean, I know y'all can because a lot of people who watch my videos do very large diamond paintings. So this doesn't make you flinch at all. But what we're going to do here is I'm going to tip you up a little bit. This is the princess. She's quite beautiful. This is the drill filled here. Very clear. I love that the canvas is sparkly. You have a key on this side and a key on that side. If you were looking at a table, look how big this goes across my table. This could almost be a table cover, right? So it looks like you have some other information here. The size, the company, where you can share your art. This would take me years to do because I would have to come back. Eco-responsible canvas, no bleed, no waste, no compromise. Looks like you got some special drills. 1, 2, and 3 are special. So that 3 is that big drill. And then I don't know where 1 and 2 are. Oh, 3. There's, okay. So the 1 is right here. That specialty drill there. That 1, that little diamond shape. And then the 3. And then I don't know where number 2 is. The colors in this are absolutely stunning. There are some switching around of colors. I guess some slight confetti, but it's not too daunting to where it would make me too frustrated. But you do see confetti, kind of, not confetti, but it's like a blend. It is kind of confetti, I guess. It's a blending of colors through here where the colors change up. So that will also be a challenge for me. I prefer color blocking. I like it as simple as it can be. And it looks like, yeah, there's about 50 colors. And it looks like we have symbols, some letters, but a lot of symbols, a lot of symbols. Woo! This is for your This is for your pros, but this is absolutely stunning and would look absolutely stunning hung up in your house, in your home, in your apartment. If this is your vibe, this Asian vibe, if you have other design and art around it, the canvas feels really nice. You can definitely tell it's definitely luxe. And the gems are in these bags where you would definitely have to kit this up, right? So that is the unboxing, my first unboxing from FEELOOK. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know if you would be excited to do a canvas this big. I love how sparkly. You can see some areas where there's some true sparkle here, like her hand. I don't know if that sparkle is reflecting like I wanted to, but like E, the letter E there, very sparkly. I love how just sparkly and high quality this canvas feels. But this is huge for someone like me who does small kits in between work. This would definitely be a challenge. I would have to really carve out time in my life to do this. So y'all let me know what you think. Let me know if you've ordered from FEELOOK Art. I've heard nothing but wonderful reviews from them. So I would definitely recommend you browse and see what you like. I love that the card includes your personal creation record, your start date and completion date. That's awesome. And you can collect these cards when you purchase from them. So keep that in mind. I'm probably going to just start a little card book for all of my collections that I'm getting. So let me know what you think in the comments. And I will see you in the next diamond painting video. If you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and put some flowers in the comments. And I will see you soon. Bye.